All right, folks, here comes Amtrak train number 14, the Cold Starlight. This is a northbound long distance train headed to Seattle, making a stop here at the Oakland Jet London Square Station. An ALC 42 Siemens Charger leading this one off. Here it comes. And please ignore that music in the background. All right, here it comes. There goes the ALC 42 coming in. It is a double header ALC 42. All right.
Man, you got to walk talking to their ass and stop. I can't even found it, my man. Let me know.
All right, it's 307 leading off. 307. All right, ALC 42, 307, ALC 42, 319. All right, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break. Cold Starlight number 14. Wow. All right, folks, we are back. This is Amtrak Cold Starlight train number 14. Everybody got to cross the street. Thank you. On its way to Seattle. An ALC 42, 307, ALC 42, I believe 319 or 314. Come on, people, get off the tracks. Thank you. Better get off the tracks. Once again, Cold Starlight 14 with the horn show. 319 and 307. 307 and 319 on the Starlight. All right, have a safe trip, everybody, to Seattle. And there go those one of those super lighter cars. All right, folks, that train is off to Seattle. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.